Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be learning about how to extract the APK file or how to download the APK file to analyze, right? So the first thing is you can be able to download the APK file from Play Store. You can install it on the device and then you have to fetch it from the device. So first method is that we have to extract the APK from the device itself, which is installed over there. Okay? And the second method is you can directly download the APK file from you can say online services available, which you can be able to easily identify. So let's see one of the APK files how we can download. So the first thing will be go to the Google and write it down APK download. Okay. So how whatever APK you want to download, you just write it down even there, and you can just get some links. Or you can just go to this one of the sites. For example, this first site is apkpure.com. So I have opened this apkpure.com, and for example, I have to download IRCTC application, right? The APK of IRCTC. So the first thing will be I will be searching for is IRCTC. Let's see. All right. So you can be able to download this from here, which will be the latest application. And you can, if you go to here and if you just open it in the new tab, you will find something like this landing page. So here you can download the latest one, or if you want to download some other version of this, you can also be able to download this previous versions of this APKs. Okay, so as you can see that this is 4.1.26, 4.1.23, and so on. So you can be able to download. If you click on the more, you can be able to download the older version itself. Okay, so I have already downloaded the application, the latest version, so you can be able to quickly check it. The site is a bit low, uh, so if you go to the previous versions, you can see that you can be able to download up to different versions: 4.0.5, 4.0.6 to 4.1.26. All right, so now I have already downloaded the latest version. Okay, so as you can see in here, this is the download 4.1.26 apkpure.com. All right, so now let's just confirm that this is the same version. All right, okay, so now what we will do is we basically uh, simply just pull the APK from the device itself. Okay, so here it is, the APK I have installed. I will just go to the app info to get the package name from here. All right, now I will just fire some commands to confirm that these are the packages, and I will just extract that APK from there. Okay, so let me just move into, we have already one APK in here which is downloaded. Now I will just extract another APK from the device. Alright, the second method we discussed earlier. So the first command will be to identify the package. Now I have already identified the package from here, but if you want to identify, you can just run the command, which is I am just grabbing something like CRIS. Okay, generally if you run this list package command, it will give you all the packages installed, all the applications installed in this device. But for sanity, I will just grab following, and as you can see that this is the package which is same. Okay, now I will just get the path of this particular package, so where this is stored. All right, so let's run the command. Once you run the command, you will get the path. Now simply the third command, which will be like pulling the APK from the device. So here, whenever I'm writing ADB pull, the first thing is the source of the path. So the APK is stored over here, and where I want to uh, extract the APK, or I want to just download the APK, which is current folder, which is the downloads folder into the Kali box. Okay, so you can just specify any path over here where you want to extract. It could be even temp or it could be on document. All right, so I'm just fetching it and it's downloaded. Right, I will just run ls, and there is base APK. Right, so here it is, the base APK. Now sometimes what happens is it is advised that you won't download the APK from third party sites, which we generally downloaded right now, right? So this is a third party site, apkpure.com, and we download it from here. It can be possible that this site can add the malware into the APK, so maybe or may not be, but we are not sure. So only download the APKs from App Store or Play Store, right? You, it is advised that you won't download the APKs from these third-party sites, just because they can or cannot be able to, like they can add the malwares, right, which can compromise our privacy, or you can say our device, right? So just to verify, let's just check that whether this APK is changed or not. How can verify? We just run a sha sum on this. We can verify with the hashes. Okay, so we have two APKs, and we just verify that whether this APK is modified or not. So let's run it. So this is a command to generate a SHA-256 hash of this particular APK file. This is the hash. Now run the same for the base APK. And we can verify from this that the APK is not modified, but still it is advised that you only download the APKs from Play Store. So I have downloaded this application from this Play Store of this, you can say. Okay, so yeah, that's the way how you can be able to these are the two methods how you can be able to download the APK. One is from extracting from device itself, when where you downloaded it from the Play Store, and you have to extract it from the device. And the another method is you can download it from the third party sites. There are multiple third party sites, but as we know that you don't rely on the third party sites again. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.